So the next parameter is integrity of data, right? And that speaks to availability and quality of data. So when you're starting an analytics project and you see that you have all the right data sets available and in high quality, that is when you get a high score, right? So that's an easy one. Then coming to the next one, is strategic alignment. Now, any use case which is not aligned to your enterprise priorities will find it very hard to get funding, right? So one has to make sure that when they are, kick-starting, analytics initiative, then the use cases, are directly or indirectly aligned to the overall priorities, right? And let me give you an example. So let's say your organization leaders have chosen gain in market share as the North Star KPI, right? So any use case which impacts revenue, which impacts customer acquisition or retention, which impacts pricing, are directly impacting market share, and hence they will get a higher score, right? But you have to also keep in mind that there might be use cases which impact something like employee engagement, right? And they should also get a moderately high score because not directly but indirectly they do impact revenue and hence market share. Because we can make a safe assumption that higher employee engagement would mean higher employee satisfaction, which would mean better customer servicing, which would mean higher customer lifetime value and hence higher revenue or gain in market share, right? Then the last parameter is ease of implementation. And based on experience, I'm sure everybody would agree that the two biggest challenges in the last leg or the last mile of analytics when we are trying to productionize or implement is change management and lack of proper tool or technological infrastructure, right? So if you're going to receive low objection from the end users, from an adoption perspective, and if you have all the right tools and technological infrastructure in place for that use case, then you get a higher score, right?